welcome to RenwilEducate channel. Today, let's learn how to insert a blank line in between the data and to calculate the values easily. Friends, in this example, if you want to insert line for this row, what you have to do, click, go to insert and insert row. Similarly, you have to do here and you have to calculate the values here. But in Excel, with the go to special feature, you can insert a blank line at a once, okay, in between the data. So to do that, what I will do, I will select from this row to this row where the last text present. So the till last, from the first text to till last text, I'll select that range and go to plus control plus G. It will open new window, that is go to special, then go to special, then go to constants, okay, select all the numbers, text and logical errors. Here you can select either text or you can select everything, because in the cell the text is showing in the letters. So next, press OK. So now you can see where there is a text, only that cell is selected. Now you want to insert a blank line. So you can right click, okay, insert. You can do control plus plus also, or you can right click and go to insert entire row. Okay, now see, one blank row is selected, where below above this, okay, here also above this one blank row, here also above this one blank row, here also above one blank row. Okay, so this will help you to calculate the values of that particular product item, and you can give the result to the management. So what you can do now, where you want to find out the sum, I want to find out the sum, unit sold, unit price, and total revenue, total cost, and total profit. So I have to select this range, plus I have to select one more row, because I want to add the sum of this product item here. Okay, so to get that values there, I want to select one more blank row. Let's see, I have selected this range, and again I will open the go to window, okay, control plus G, then special, and now I have to select only the blanks where there is. I have to select the row or cell where there is a blank. So I'll click blanks and press OK. See, now that 3 rows where there is a blank cell, each cells are selected. Now next step is to find out the sum of these values. So I want to do at once for all these columns, not individually. If I write individual formula, it may take half an hour. I want to do it in 1 minute. So to do that, was simply I can go to auto sum. Okay, I can click here auto sum. There is average, count numbers, max, whatever. I'll select as sum. See, when I selected sum, the values automatically counted, values automatically sum, and the result is updated. Now I will do little formatting here in order to show the figures in a better manner. So I'll just increase the font. Since this is the result, I will increase the font. I can make coloring to the cell. Before that, I can make it to bold. Okay, I can change background color to some colors, make it green. Then the cell border, I'll change the cell border and cell border cell line color. Okay, I'll go to more borders, then I can select double. Okay, this one, then insert, 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 insert. Next color, I will make it as red. Okay, then I think this is enough. Click OK. Okay, now you can see, I'll remove that, it's still showing blank. Okay, I'll select, I'll go to here, more borders. Okay, I will select this one, enter, 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 enter. Then select this color and you can enter here, so it will give you the correct picture. Okay, okay, now see that cell borders are highlighted with the red color. So you can make this total, merge and write as total. Okay, make it bold. Okay, increase the font, then copy, paste here, paste here. Okay, now you can select, you can simply press Ctrl T in order to make it as table. Okay, okay, go and change any format if this is okay, or change anything whichever convenient, whichever suitable, whichever you likes. Okay, depending upon your need and requirement. Okay, then press OK. Now you can, I think this is not merge, you can make it again mail not merging, because we inserted the text, that's why we insert a table, that's why only here it is showing merge. Okay, maybe I will check whether it is working. Yes, no, not working. Okay, this is, so this is not visible, so again you can change the color here, make it blank. Let me select entire row, make it black. Why it is not changing? Sorry. Okay, sorry, I have to select only this range, otherwise it will conflict. So you can see how beautiful this table is now, which will help you to analyze data in a better manner. So since these cells are red, maybe you can change this border to different color also. So for that you can simply go to here, go to more borders, tick line and select the colors something like this. Okay, okay, see how beautiful it looks. Still you can change if required. So this is a small feature of go to menu you can use whenever you want in your data analysis or to clean up data or any Excel work, so that it will help you to reduce time to the certain extent. Friends, if you have any doubt in this video, kindly write in the description section. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, if you are new to channel, please watch my other videos. Also share these videos with your friends so that it will encourage to me to create more and more value based videos. Thank you friends watching this video.